Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series English for Prep KG, suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 41. On this page, children, you are going to read and write the sentences with the use of these and those. Look at this, children. These are bags. Those are bags. Children, these bags in this picture are near, and these bags in this picture which they are far. So we will say these are bags, those are bags. Listen again, children. These are bags, those are bags. Now say with me, children. These are bags, those are bags. Say again, children. These are bags, those are bags. Children, now you have to write these sentences in between these four lines by yourself. You will write these are bags, those are bags. Look at this, children. These boys are near in this picture and these boys are far in this picture. So we have to say these are boys, those are boys. Listen again, children. These are boys, those are boys. Now say with me, children. These are boys, those are boys. Say again, children. These are boys, those are boys. Say one more time, children. These are boys, those are boys. Children, now you have to write these sentences in between these four lines by yourself. You have to write these are boys, those are boys. Look at this, children. Apples in this picture are near and apples in this picture are far. So we have to say these are apples, those are apples. Listen again, children. These are apples, those are apples. Listen one more time, children. These are apples, those are apples. Now say with me, children. These are apples, those are apples. Children, now you have to write these sentences in between these four lines by yourself. You have to write these are apples, those are apples. This was our page number 41, children. On this page we are going to use the sentences of these and those. Let's read all these sentences again, children. These are bags, those are bags. These are boys, those are boys. These are apples, those are apples. Children, now you have to write these sentences in between these four lines by yourself. You will write these are boys and those are boys in these lines, and you have to write these are boys and those are boys in between these lines, and you have to write these are bags and those are bags in between these four lines by yourself, and you have to write these are apples and those are apples in between these four lines by yourself.